hydraulic is leaking right now, and my dad's trying to fix it. So yeah, he's trying to fix it right now. Over here is where it's leaking. And you could look over there somewhere that it's leaking. See? It's leaking right there from the pipe. So my dad has to fix it. Over here, up in here, is my dad right now, looking at what's happening. Dad, do you know how to fix it?
Yes.
What do you do?
I found one line. Basically, it's broken. Well, there's a hole in one of the metal lines, so I need to take it off, take it to the shop, see if they can fabricate one for me. If not, I have to go to the dealer and order the original line. So it's a lot of work.
Wow.
So,
Yeah, you do need to replace the part.
yeah, because I cannot work without replacing. Basically, it's this big line right here. The big line, the main big line over there, it goes underneath. So I gotta take it off. Yeah.
So that line right there.
So yeah, it's a big job. Probably gonna take a couple hours just to take it off.
That one, the one that's going straight up, right?
Well, it's hard to see, but yeah, the metal one, yeah, the going straight up. Yeah.
That one. Oh, wow.
That one.
Okay.
So
So we have to fix it.
yeah.
Do you know where we're supposed to get it from, like the fixing things?
Yeah, hydraulic shop or dealer.
Wow.
Or come out to dealer. So. All right, I better start finding tools how to take it off.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the backhoe from the front over here. Wow. Pretty. This is the digging scoop thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's right here. Okay. Let's go see inside what's in the backhoe. We're not going to be touching anything though, so we're going to be careful. Okay, here's the driver's seat. And here's the steering wheel. Oh, I don't want to touch any of those. So, yeah. Okay, I got to squeeze it by and sit on the chair. This is how it looks when you sit on it. The glass was cracked from the previous owner. We got it for cheap. And back here's where you could see the problem from up here. I don't want to drop the phone, but yes, I am doing it on the phone. I forgot what type of phone it is, but it's my dad's. Okay, let's get down safely. Okay, and yeah, that's the backhoe. Here's the scooping thing. My dad already used it like a lot of times. That's what he used to make this big pile, and he used the other part at the front to do this. Our land is coming nicely along, so it's pretty good. But yeah, I don't know what to say because it's my first time doing the camera, and yeah, all of this that's over here, my dad did. I need to go do stuff, so I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.